Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a mini graduation hat. Are you ready? Alright, let's do it. Alright, so you will need the paper, any color paper you like. And I have a scissors, glue stick. You use pencil and eraser to draw, and ruler. I use Sharpie, okay? All right, so first one, I'm gonna show you, you need a square, right? Okay, so very easy. All you need to do, this one is for if you don't have a printer at home, all right? So you are going to draw a square, okay? Like that, very simple. This one will be the top part. And for me, you can do any size, okay? For me, I did 4.5 inch, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do, this one, you can draw a circle right here on the middle, all right? All right, so for this part, I have a print out for you. You are going to go ahead and cut, follow the line. Little by little. Here we go. All right, next one, I'm going to do tassel. This one, tassel right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have you draw a rectangle. You can use a ruler, okay? Draw a rectangle without close up. Leave a little bit line and then close up like that, because this line is where you're going to connect to the head, okay? All right, and for the tassel part, you don't need to draw, but you know, you will need to cut. And sometimes when you cut not too even, make sure you make the space and then all the way cut it all the way to the dotted line, okay? Like that. How many lines, it doesn't matter, okay? And the other one, because I'm going to glue the tassel and glue the black over the top, so you will need to draw a circle and color in black, and then later on we can cut it out and glue it over the top, okay? All right, let me put it on the side. Here is the print out. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to follow the line and cut. Ready, and then this one circle, cut it out. Okay, and this one ready, cut, cut, cut. Cut on the line. Here we go. All right, next one, you are going to take the pencil or any pencil, and then you put it on the top, and you roll, roll, roll over like that. And then this area, I want you to glue. Open glue stick. Here we go. And then open a little bit, put glue. And then roll it over. And make sure you glue together, okay? And then once you glue together, you take off the pencil. And the tassel, you can just open it up. Open it up like that. Okay, like that. And then on the end right here, I'm going to have you put glue on the circle. And then put it right over the top. Glue again and circle over the top. I want the tassel a little bit lower, okay? Like that. And then glue again to secure the spot. And this one right here, you can just simply fold down. Tassel is there, okay? And then next one, we are going to working on this part, the bottom part, okay? So the bottom part, very simple, okay? Very simple. All you need to do, I use half of the paper, okay? Half the paper, and here I do it this way, it's easier, okay? All right. For the center part, I do a little bit 3 dots, and then I have a little bit slide down and go up, and the rest of the line you just go straight, okay? Make the straight line, straight line, straight line. All right, and then right here on the top, it depends on how thick your hat is going to be. For me, I do how many inch? Let me see. 1.5. I do 1.5 inch. Okay, space. So 1.5 inch. I do dotted line. Okay. So dotted line. Dotted line means where you're going to fold it after, okay? And then here, I want you to make the line, you can cut it down up to the dotted line. So that's the area you need to cut, and cut. Okay, how many? Doesn't matter, okay? And then here, if you have a logo or something you like to draw, you can put it here, okay? So let me get the hang out, and I'm going to this one because I saved the space. I have a left and right, 2 parts. Okay, I cut it off. First, remember we cut on the line. Cut on the line, okay. And then we cut on the line here. Cut, 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 cut. Okay, and then next one, you see the dotted line. I want you to fold down, okay? Fold it down, every single one, all right? You see the dotted line? A little bit hard to see, huh? Because it's dark blue, sometimes it's harder to see it. Dark blue, hold it on the dotted line. Every single one, okay? Okay, here we go, like that. And next one, we are going to close it up together. Like that, okay? Close up together. And then so you have a rim, okay? All right, and then let's put glue. I'm going to put glue just on one end, all right? And then bring it over together. Okay, together. That's it. And then inside, if you want to secure, I use tape. You can see inside, right here, inside, I use tape it. And then so nobody look at inside, so it's fine, okay? And then this part, you just naturally close it up. Naturally close it up, okay? All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this one over and flip it over, okay? And put a lot of glue right in the middle. You see glue, okay? And then this one, we are going to, I have a logo right here. The logo you can face to the corner, not these two corners. Either this corner or this corner will be good, okay? So my logo is right here. I face to this corner. And I'm trying to put right in the middle. You can adjust it to see if it's in the middle, a little bit up or down. I think this is good. And then push, push, push. But inside, it's not so secure yet. I want you to, you see, there, little by little, open it up until the last one. I think it's a little bit hard to see, right? Zoom. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, zoom in. Okay, open it up. Okay, and then you put glue. You see, you put glue. Close one. Put glue. Close another one. Put glue. Close the other one. Glue. Close and the other one. Glue. Keep on close. Glue and close until the last one is done. So this one super secure. Okay. All right. Easy, right? Okay. And then ta-da! Our graduation hat is done. I'm gonna show you in a different view, okay? This is our graduation hat. All right. All right, let me show you in a different view. Ready? Ta-da! It's too small for you, right? Okay. Happy graduation. All right. Bye-bye, everyone. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Have fun making the graduation hat. Okay. You can put it on the door. Okay. Or on your head. Okay. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.